The table below shows some values of curves y is equal to 2 cos x and y equal to 3 sin x. Complete the table to one decimal place. So we need to fill this table using your calculator. So y is equal to 2 cos x. So this one is 2. So let me show you how you use your calculator. So now I want to get the value here ya y to equal to 2 cos x. So unafinya 2 into cos. My value of x here, my x value is 30, cos 30. And then you press answer. So it gives you 1.732. Kwa sababu uliambiwa to one decimal place, 3 cannot increase 7. Kwa hivyo the answer is going to be 1.7. So if it is 3 sin x, unafinya 3 sin, sawa, 3 sin x, my x here is 60, so 60. The answer is 2.59. Now 2.59, 9 can increase this by 1, so the answer here is to be 2.6, like that. Now our table is complete. Now we use this table to draw the graph. So scale yako tutaweka hapa na 0. The amplitude tunaenda kwenda juu, so tunasema hii ikue 1, ikue 2, tukue na 3. -1, -2 and -3. So and then now the angles we have 0, 30 to the end 360. So to answer kwa kuplot graph, let us start by plotting the graph y is equal to 2 cos x using these values. So when y is 2, when x is 0, y is positive 2. So we put a point there. When x is 30, y is positive 1.7. So this is 1.5. So this is 1.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 2. So this is 0.7, that is 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 there. When it is 60, it is 1 here. When it is 90, 0. Right? When it is 120, -1 there. When it is 150, -1.7. So this is -1.7, that is 1. 1.5. So 1.7 is here. Right? So this is 1.5, -1.5, -1.7. When it is 180, it is -2. -2 here. When it is -210, yani 210 degrees, that is -1.7, 10 inarudi hapa. When it is 240, -1, inarudi hapa 240, -1. 150 ilikuwa, I think kuna mistake hapa. 90 ilikuwa 0. 120 ilikuwa -1. Na 120 ilikuwa -1 here, not here. -1 is here. And then 150, -1.7, that is okay. And when it is 180, -2. Now we have our points, and then we plot a smooth curve. So a smooth curve. A smooth curve. Like this. Yes, a smooth curve. Like that. Once you have drawn that smooth curve, you label this curve. This is y is equal to 2 cos x. So next one, now we start y is equal 3 sin x. So when x is 0, when x is 0, what is the value of y? Is 1.5, right? When x is 0, this is 0 also, or 0, 0. When x is 30, here 30, y is 1.5, 1.5 is here. When x is 60, this one is 2.6. So 2.6, 60, 2.6, that is 2.5, 2.6 there. When it is 90, x is 90, this one is 3, maximum 3, 93. Now after finishing plotting, now you draw the smooth curve like this. You don't use a ruler, you just use a free hand like this, a smooth curve like this, like this, like that, a smooth curve like that. You see I'm using a free hand, I'm using a free hand like that, like that. Now we have these two curves, and name this one is y is equal to 3 sine x. So by so doing, you have your marks scored. 5 marks, 3 marks. Use the graph to find the values of x when y cos x minus 3 cos x is equal to 0. This simply means 2 cos x is equal to, hii ipeleke pande ingine, 3 itakuwa positive 3 sin x. That's what it means. And this means you find the values of x where the two curves meet. So where the two curves meet, this curve and this curve where they meet, that's where 2 cos x is equal to 3 sin x. So that point is this point here. You will just read the value here, the angle. You also read the value here where they meet, the x. So as you can see, this one is 30 something, that is 34, and this one is 200 and what? This is 210, around 214 there. Yeah, 214. So x equal to 34 degrees, or x is equal to 214 degrees. So that is where the two curves meet, and that is the solution for that. Next one. Use the graph to find the values of y when cos this is equal to this. So where these two are meeting, here and here, we want the value of y. So we just read the value of y up. Hapa itakuwa 1.5.6.65. So y equal to 1.65, or again we can read the value of y where they are meeting, the value of y downwards here. Kwa hivyo hii ni mpaka hapa ni negative 1.5, negative 1.6 and a half, and so it is now negative 1.65. As simple as that, you score all your 10 marks.